Ever wonder how giant apps like Netflix update instantly without ever crashing? It is not magic. It is a modern tech superpower called DevOps. Historically, software creation had two rival teams working in complete isolation. First, the developers, who write the code and build new features. Then, the operations team, who manage the servers and keep things stable. Developers wanted fast change, while operations wanted absolute stability. Cue the conflict. Code was thrown over a wall, causing constant bugs and broken systems. DevOps smashes this wall, merging development and operations into one unified team. It is represented by an infinity loop, showing an endless cycle of collaboration. The cycle begins with plan and code, where new features are designed. Next is build and test, which is fully automated to catch bugs instantly. Then comes release and deploy, pushing the fresh updates straight to users. Finally, monitor and operate, tracking software performance in real time. The heart of DevOps is automation, powered by CI/CD pipelines. This allows code updates to be tested and deployed automatically within minutes. Instead of massive, risky updates once a year, apps update safely every hour. DevOps is not just tools, it is a culture of shared responsibility and trust. Ready to master the cloud? Subscribe for more simplified tech concepts.